Second problem, here x of t plus 1 we need to do. So x of t plus 1 is equal to 2 minus 2 less than or equal to, wherever you are having t, I am going to substitute t plus 1. Okay, so here it is, this is plus 2, just recall this, just I will write this again here. So minus of t plus 1 plus 2. Okay, so now I am substituting this value. So minus that is after simplifying this one will come here minus 1. So minus 1, 0 minus 1. Here this one will come here. So minus 1, 2 minus 1. Okay. So here also minus t minus 1 plus 2. So you will get 2 minus t plus 1. So this is what the range. Now minus 3 less than or equal to minus 1. It is 2. Okay, now substitute t equal to minus 1 in this case. When you substitute t equal to minus 1, already minus 1 is there, you will get 2, right? Minus 1, already minus is there, so minus into minus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2. So minus 1, it is 2. So next we have to substitute t equal to 0. When you substitute t is equal to 0, you will get t is equal to 0, you get x of t as 1. So here I am getting it. When I substitute t equal to 1, I will get 0. So I got the same signal here as that of this one. Okay, so this is what the method 1. So method 2. So in this method 2, what I need to do is, so this is what your original signal, right? Okay, now I am going to perform by direct visualization. So what I told in the method 2, if we need to perform, sorry, this is what x of t plus 1. What I told in direct visualization. So here first thing is what we need to do. We need to take t plus 1 is equal to 0 and t equal to minus 1. So in this case, what we need to do is, here it is 0, here it is 1, here it is 2. Okay, now here what we need to do is, where you are having t equal to minus 1, there you should have your origin value, right? Now is at origin the value is 2. Now at t equal to minus 1, I should have the value 2. That I need to shift it. Appday shift, you need to shift it. Okay, so remaining values will shift towards left. Okay, now when 2 comes to minus 1, when at the origin the value is 2, this come to minus 1, so 1, the value is 1, so it will come to the origin now. Okay, next 2 value, the value is 0, so it will come to 1, so it is 0. Okay, so next thing is here, so when the values are shifted towards left, so the minus 1 value is what here 2, that is shifted to minus 2. Now it is 2. Now minus 2 value is 2, that is shifted to minus 3. So here it is minus 3. Now I am going to join this signal. So I will get a representation like this. So both are same. So in method 1, you can implement by simplifying this mathematical expression. In method 2, you can directly do by equating this and considering the origin value should be at this point. Okay. Now the third one, x of t plus 4, the same concept I have done. So wherever I am having t, I have substituted t plus 4 and I have simplified this expression. After substituting the different values, I am getting this one. In method 2, just I have taken t plus 4 is equal to 0 and which is equal to t minus 4. Now what I need to do, the origin value should shift to t minus 4. Okay, t equal to minus 4. Okay, so the origin value is 2, it is shifted to minus 4. Remaining values come along with that. Okay, then minus 3 it is 1, minus 2 it is 1, minus 5 2, minus 6 2. Similarly we need to proceed for the remaining. Similarly, solve this x of t minus 3 by using this mathematical expression. You will get this. In method 2, just at t equal to 3, you should have to shift the origin value, so the remaining value will come in this manner. Hope you understand the time shifting. And in the next class, we will discuss about time reversal and time scaling. Thank you.